A big day for Rhode Island commuters. New rail service should make travel much easier. A train station opened up at Wickford Junction, and it drew lots and lots of people, including a member of President Obama's cabinet. ABC 6 reporter Abby Nisgoda is live now at the train station. Abby.
Well, there are finally trains stopping and passengers boarding here at the Wickford Junction platform. In fact, state transportation officials expect 1,500 regular riders of trains like these right behind me by the year 2020. But for those who live here in South County, this is much more than just a way to get from place to place. It's an engine for the local economy. The Providence train station is usually bustling on a Monday morning, but for the first time, conductors here got to say all aboard to Wickford Junction Station. The commuter rail service comes to South County after $44 million was sunk into the project. 33 of it came from federal funding. Local passengers aboard the ceremonial ride say it's about time.
And now getting a local stop in Wickford that goes all the way to Boston. It's going to turn us into a community, bedroom community of Boston.
For most, this was their very first ride to Wickford Junction, but not for the Hammond family. They got up at 4 o'clock this morning to catch the very first train out.
About a year ago, I promised them that when the first train left, we'd make sure we were on it.
I just like going on trains, and I haven't been on a train in a long time.
Dad says the service will make family trips with two little ones just a little bit easier.
We're only like 5 minutes from the station.
The rain forced the ceremony inside the station's parking garage that boasts 1,100 spots. Officials touted the fact that the project was done completely under budget and ahead of schedule. U.S. Secretary of Transportation Ray LaHood says the service will not only drive passengers, it will also drive the economy.
You know what this project did? It put friends and neighbors back to work building infrastructure.
20 trips every weekday will pass through this station. Edgar wishes he could be on all of them, but afternoon kindergarten will keep him from doing that. So Dad says he'll have to settle for just once a week.
Yeah, we're gonna go on the train on Mondays, every day on Mondays.
Now, it's the first day of service for trains like these here at Wickford Junction, and they've already announced their first fare hike. Now, come July, it'll cost you $3.25 to get to Providence on one of these trains from Wickford, and to Boston, it will go up from $9 to $11. That's starting July 1. And one last note, as of right now, there is no weekend service being offered here. We're live at Wickford Junction tonight. Abby Nisgoda, ABC 6 News.
Thank you, Abby. Commuter rail passengers will soon be able to buy tickets with their smartphone.